How to change App Store, country, or region on iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First of all, simply find the App Store app on your mobile device from your home screen, then simply tap on it. Now, once you tap on it and once you're inside the App Store, simply tap on the profile picture of yours at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now there tap on your Gmail ID at the top or your Apple ID. And once you tap on it, you'll be authenticated with Face ID or Touch ID. And from there you can see country/region option available. Simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it, wait for a few moments. And then you can see the list of countries available. Scroll down on tap on any according to your preferences. So now once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on the continue option available there. Then you'll be taken to agree the terms and conditions of App Store. Tap on the agree at the top right. Then once you tap on the agree, you will be navigated to the payment section and also the address section. Now here all you have to do is simply tap on the none if you do not have any payment method available, or simply enter your credit cards option and enter your billing address, street and phone number. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.